this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. So I come here with another phone. I will send a WhatsApp message to see if I get there or not. You see there, guys, one more time. You see there, guys, you get the message. So lovely. So WhatsApp is working. That means the phone is connected with the watch. Let's call. I call from this one to another one. You see, you can answer that call. I hit here. Hello. I think you can talk as well. So it's working in WhatsApp message, guys. So WhatsApp is working in this case. For other application, other things, I don't know, may work or not. But most important, WhatsApp and notification is working, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.